we wanted as much beef as possible, and I'm trying to do it with no metal fasteners. The approach I'm going for is solid log stringers and cutting saddle notches out of the bottom of the treads, setting them in place up the stringers, getting them located and situated, then cutting the tops off of them, and then pinning them in place with hardwood dowels. But let's hope for the best. But overall, it's been a decent project. I've learned a whole bunch. So maybe give it a shot yourself. Hopefully you learned something from what I've learned.